Hey everyone, how you doing? So this might not be for you all. You might just want to stick to using kind of Facebook posts and the reels and the shorts strategy, which is the best at the minute for outreach. But there's only so much you can do in like a 6, 8 second video. Now you can make them and chain them together. We'll show you how to do that soon. But one of the above average things you can do is you can make YouTube videos. And then when you put the shorts on YouTube, you link them to that main video. So what we're going to do in this video is I'll keep it brief, but I'm just going to show you what I'm doing um, because I want to get lots and lots and lots of lovely YouTube traffic. So I've done some of this before. It's made me a sale and I kind of stopped because I was doing other things. Okay. Um, but I ended up coming back to what works. So let's do it. So you are going to need to go and get a tool called vidIQ, right? So I'll drop a link to it. There is an affiliate link to it, but there's a free version, right? So you can start for free. If you get the paid version, it's only $10. So listen, I will drop our affiliate link around here. If you don't want to use our affiliate link, then feel free, just go and get it, but get it. The reason why I'm letting you know there's an affiliate program is obviously you want to share this with your customers if you want to do the same as us, right? Okay. But anyway, so that aside, everything I'm going to show you in terms of keywords, I think you can do for free. You get so much usage a day. But the AI tool, you're probably going to want to pay the $10 a month, right? So if we go keywords, this tells me what people search for, right? So I can search up here, the Home Business Academy, right? No one's going to search for quiet commissions system, blueprint, whatever. Okay. But people are looking for the Home Business Academy. So here look, it's given us all related keywords. So 117 related keywords, and as you would expect to find, um, you've got make money online is a related keyword, okay, and so on and so on and so on. So what you're going to do though, you're going to click, well, first of all, what I like to do is put this look overall. The green ones, if it's green, you're more likely to be able to rank for it. So I like to do that first and just have a quick look. Now, I don't believe affiliate marketing is easy to rank for. I probably don't believe how to earn money online is that easy to rank for. It's a ratio. Sometimes it goes wrong, but like how to make money as a teenager could work. Um, Digital products to sell online could be a good one. I like that one as well. So these become your video ideas, right? But if you want to get super targeted, you just click matching terms. Again, click overall. You put the best ones to the top. So we've got Home Business Academy, HBA Emerson. Watch the incredible results of the AI magic content machine in minutes. Now, do I believe anybody's searched for that significantly? No, I don't. Right. So again, take it with a pinch of salt. But case studies of the Home Business Academy, 1,391 people, right, search for something like that. Okay, apparently every month. Home Business Academy FMSC. What's FMSC? Don't know. Okay. How to make money with a Home Business Academy, $3,000. There you go, because they have a funnel in there. How to make $3,000. So 1,291 people search for that. So I might make a video out of that. If someone is searching for best solo ads for the Home Business Academy, what does that tell me? They're probably in the Home Business Academy, right? And they want to find solo ads, obviously, but then probably already in, right? So here we're going to do, how to make money with the Home Business Academy 3000. That would be a good one. Does the Home Business Academy actually work? Right? Affiliate program, the affiliate program review. Now that's interesting. That is a very interesting one. That is my keyword. Now I could carry on because obviously the point is you're going to make more than one video, right? It's just like if you want a black belt, you don't go to one lesson, one karate lesson, you go to several and you build up your skills over time. So I'm going to do this one. So if I click on that word, it will bring up other related ones to it. So you can kind of branch off. So let's just have a look at that one. So there's mine at the top and it's bringing in some of these again. So again, you can go to matching terms. There aren't any, there's only that one. So we'll just go back. Right, so the Home Business Academy Affiliate Program Review, right? So then what I can do, I can copy that and I can go here to new chat. Remember this, I'm paid. I'm not sure if you get any access to this for free, right? I want to make a video on this title to help me make sales in HBA. Can you give me a video outline that will convert? Put the title in. Now let's give it a minute to do its thing. So it's doing its research. Now, what I like about vidIQ is it's specialist AI for YouTube. YouTube is a search engine, okay? And also your videos, they don't disappear like they do on social media. They tend to last a lot longer. And it's looking at my channel, looking, it's matching what works best for me on my channel. If you're new, don't worry about it. It will just look at what works best overall. So when you're watching a video like this, I find myself saying, oh, it's a bit slow. But compared to like the hours I used to have to put in to do this stuff. Still thinking. And it's finding different titles that might work better for me. Giving them a score. It gives everything a score. It works out what it thinks it's going to work. Well, title adjustment. While your title is good, consider appending a hook. The Home Business Academy affiliate program review. Is it legit? See, it's adding in, it's, all of this stuff I want to thought of. Okay. Considering your channel's success with direct no fluff reviews, like your Andrew Reynolds review, which pulled 12,000 views, this video needs to cut straight to the money math, right? The biggest selling point isn't the training, it's the 80% recurring commission structure. Your audience wants passive, and HBA is one of the few legit programs offering that high of a cut on a digital product. Here is your high converting outline designed to handle objections and close sales. Right, so the packaging, okay, and it gives me everything I need to do to make that into a video. So that's what I'm going to follow. So that's enough for this video. If you would like more, if you'd like me to help you build a HBA business, right? Obviously that means joining me. I'll just be upfront, okay? But if you would like more help like this, right, to help you get going with it, send me a message. I've got a guide. I've got a PDF guide I can send you. I have a members team just for mine and my business partner, Eric, just for our team. We have a direct member site to help our members on top of all the great stuff HBA do. And we also have a document that will help you work out a plan to get to where you want to be. And all sorts of stuff, really, including, video ideas and teaching you how to do it. So if you're interested in that, all you've got to do is contact me, comment below, send me a message. I'm not that difficult to get hold of, and we'll get cracking. But anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think to vidIQ if you have it. If there's any alternatives out there, what you use. Let me know what you think to this, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.